Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust preferred item slots in Fortnite. To do it, click on your profile icon in top right corner, then click on settings, then game tab, and go to preferred item slots. And here you can disable or enable it, and you can adjust it at the slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, and so on. And you can choose what to put in that slot. Then click on apply when you're done, and click here to go back, and click again to exit settings. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.